Your front door does more than welcome guests. It protects your home, contributes to curb appeal, and plays a major role in energy efficiency. In Pasadena, where warm temperatures and humidity can put added strain on cooling systems, having an energy-efficient entry door isn't just a luxury, it's a smart investment. If your current door feels drafty, looks worn, or allows heat to seep inside, upgrading to an energy-efficient entry door can improve comfort, lower utility bills, and enhance your home's appearance. Why energy efficiency matters in Pasadena. Pasadena's climate means long, hot summers and periods of high humidity. When outdoor heat penetrates your home through poorly insulated doors, your air conditioning system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Older entry doors, especially those with thin cores or worn weather stripping, can allow air leaks that drive up energy costs. Over time, this wasted energy adds up. Energy-efficient entry doors are designed to minimize heat transfer and prevent drafts, helping maintain stable indoor temperatures year-round. Insulated cores for superior performance. Modern energy-efficient entry doors often feature insulated cores made of polyurethane foam or similar high-performance materials. These insulated cores act as a barrier between the inside and outside of your home. In Pasadena's warm weather, this insulation helps block outdoor heat from entering. During cooler months, it helps retain indoor warmth. This improved thermal performance reduces strain on your HVAC system and can lead to noticeable savings on energy bills. Advanced weather stripping and seals. A well-sealed door is essential for preventing air leaks. Energy-efficient entry doors are built with durable weather stripping and tight-fitting frames that create a secure seal when closed. Professional installation ensures the door is properly aligned and sealed, preventing gaps that allow conditioned air to escape. With fewer drafts and leaks, your home stays more comfortable, especially near entryways where temperature differences are often most noticeable. Energy-efficient glass options. If you prefer a door with decorative glass inserts, you don't have to sacrifice efficiency. Many energy-efficient entry doors include double-pane glass with insulating gas fills such as argon. Low emissivity coatings on glass panels reflect infrared heat while still allowing natural light to brighten your entryway. For Pasadena homeowners, this means enjoying a stylish, light-filled space without increasing cooling costs. Durable materials built for the climate. Choosing the right material is just as important as selecting energy-efficient features. Fiberglass entry doors are a popular option in Pasadena because they resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage. They also provide excellent insulation and require minimal maintenance. Steel entry doors offer strong security and insulated cores that enhance thermal performance. Both materials are designed to withstand Pasadena's weather conditions while maintaining their energy efficiency over time. Added comfort and noise reduction. Energy-efficient entry doors not only improve temperature control but also help reduce outside noise. Insulated cores and tight seals create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. This added comfort enhances your daily living experience, whether you're relaxing at home or entertaining guests. Boosting curb appeal and home value. Upgrading to an energy-efficient entry door also enhances curb appeal. With a wide range of styles, finishes, and decorative options available, you can choose a design that complements your home's architecture. Energy-efficient upgrades are attractive to potential buyers, making your investment beneficial now and in the future. A smart upgrade for Pasadena homes. Energy-efficient entry doors offer a combination of performance, style, and long-term savings. By reducing energy waste, improving comfort, and enhancing your home's appearance, they provide value that extends beyond aesthetics. For Pasadena homeowners looking to improve efficiency and make a lasting impact, upgrading your entry door is a practical and rewarding decision.